think international community has been tested now by this aggression. If they are serious, they should have to stand together against Israel, and they should have to have a joint move towards Israel itself, because it is violating every resolution from the Security Council. And I think we need some international move from the youth, from the social organizations, everywhere, to tell the people about what Israel done against someone who is mediating with their consent, and they did a lot, and they successfully released more than 140 or 45 of the detained people. So why shouldn't they now come and attack? Because they have just the force. So in this case, I think we need to say, let us join hands behind Qatar, because Qatar is now leading us in a very, very civilized way.